Okay, I actually haven't had coffee in a long time because we just use our like espresso machine back there, and I have to say I am pleasantly impressed with the taste of it. The process I think I will have to get used to. There was another one that I had similar to this and it would just like explode all over the place. So I was really nervous using this and I'm so glad it didn't explode all over the place. Okay, let's start with unboxing first. This came really nicely packaged in all of the styrofoam you could possibly think of so that like nothing's gonna break on its way to you. This is completely made out of glass and stainless steel, so that is a peace of mind knowing that. It comes with like your main large container that's gonna hold the water. It comes with a stem piece that sits in the center. This is where the water is going to push through as it starts to boil, and there's little holes at the top of it, and the water is going to drip out of that onto your coffee beans. And then you have your stainless steel bowl. That's where you're going to put your coffee beans. And then a little stainless steel lid to close it over. And then you have your glass lid with some maybe like silicone rubber type material to seal it on top, which is nice. So when you go to pour it, the lid just stays on. It's super easy to use. As you can see here, the water is boiling, and I don't think that having 2 cups of water was going to quite do the trick to make the coffee, so I did decide to add more coffee partway through the process. I was watching the bubbles and it just didn't seem like they were going to make it up high enough. I also didn't wait very long. This is quite a beautiful piece to have in your kitchen. You could leave it on your countertop and it is, like I said, I mean, I personally think it's beautiful. It's a lot prettier than my espresso machine over here. The coffee taste specifically, I really liked. It's like you can make strong coffee without that bitterness, which I find that no matter how I make espresso in my espresso machine right here, I always get like a little bit of a bitter flavor to it. And sometimes I just don't want that. I just want like a nice, warm, yummy, comforting coffee. So for this, that was great. And I also wanted to be able to make more than 1 cup. So with the espresso machine is great if you want something strong. This is great because again, it's a beautiful piece. You can make more than 1 cup in one go. So if you have friends over or family over or your partner, then it's like nice to be able just to make a pot of it and have it ready for the morning, the afternoon, or the whole day. This process a little bit overwhelmed me at first, but now that I've done it once and like now 10 times, it is actually super easy. I have used a moka pot before, as mentioned in the video about it exploding. I had tried to use that thing so many times, and I swear it's like 8 out of 10 times just coffee would explode everywhere. So I like that this does not have that element, but still makes an amazing cup of coffee. So if you're looking for something a little bit different, other than a regular coffee machine or a moka pot, or just just something nice to have in your home to make a really good cup of coffee, then this would be a great product for you.